love you, my baby. At ang hirap, magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. You want another song? Oh, my pretty, pretty boy, I love you like I never ever loved no one before you. Oh, tummy time. Tummy time, my baby. Very good, my baby. Oh, galing ah. Smile nga kay Daddy. Give Daddy a smile naman, oy. Give Daddy your sweet smile, oy. Ay, sus. Ay, sunod-sunod naman sa camera. Oh, may pag-beautiful eyes pa. I love you, baby boy. Tago. Ay, sus. Kagwapo eh. I love you. I love you. Sakit din yan, oh. No. Ran, galing naman. Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Oy. Wow. Galing. Nana, did you say mama? Huh? Good morning, my baby. Good morning. Good morning, my baby. How are you? How's your sleep? It's very long, huh? It's time to take a bath na eh. No? Haba sleep natin. Share ko lang sa inyo guys yung aking milk stash. Yan. So, naka 29 na ako dito. And, I'm so happy na ito na yung aking pang 30th na milk stash. Ito yung next na aking, i-consume para kay baby. So, ibabalik ko lang to sa freezer. Yan. Yan. Tapos, alisin ko to. Yung pang number 30 ko na breast milk is, dito ko ilalagay yan. Pag ganyan. Tapos, pag tumigas na siya, ililipat ko na siya dito. Good morning, my baby. Show them your morning smile, Dali. Show them your morning smile, my baby. Hindi mo yan smile eh. Show them your morning smile. Good morning, my baby. Happy second month, my baby. 2 months na ikaw. Nakaswaddle pa siya. Still early, mommy. Good morning. Good morning, my baby. I love you. Oh, boy. I love you. Oh, shush. 2 months na ikaw. Ano gusto ng baby? You want Jollibee? Bye, mommy Jollibee later. So good. You want chicken? You want chicken? You want breast milk chicken flavor? How about breast milk palabok flavor? Love you. I love you. Good morning.
It's a fun. Ano?
Gusto mo? Bulalo? Gusto mo bulalo? Ha?
Parang may isip na eh.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Balik sa rice.
Ilang kalamansi yung nilagay mo rin?
Isa lang ako.
Wala lang po.
Mapatanggal nung ano niya. Everyday.
Hi guys! It's July. Loging July. Ano na? October 8. It's October 8 and nandito kami sa Balin sa Sayaw sa Silang. And kasama namin si Baby. Babe naman siya kasi dumede na siya. Tapos, sponsor! Charot! Kay Louis, Kuya, and si Mama. Ayan, kumakain kami na food, lunch, pero anong oras na? 3:30 na. Lunch pa rin. So, inantay na lang namin dessert. Good morning, Ryle James Cuevas. I love you. Good morning, my baby. Po. I love you po. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Say, wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow, galing naman. Tama-tama ka dyan ah. Ay, sus. Sino yan? Nakatingin na naman sa pillow. Nakatingin sa pillow. Wow, galing. Uy, galing ah. Good morning, my baby. Show them your morning smile, my baby. Show them your morning smile. Yes, yes. Good morning. Hindi siya tumayo. I miss you, Mama and Papa. Punta na po kayo dito. Oh, nakikipag-usap. Ay, sus. Walk, walk, walk. Let's walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Baby, go. Walk, walk, walk. Baby, go. Hi, Daddy. Nag-coffee na po ako. Coffee, coffee. Yung milk na Mommy ay flavored coffee. Pagkatapos niya po uminom ng coffee, pinadede niya po sa akin. Ang sarap. Inaantok po ako pero parang gising na gising ako. Ang sarap ng coffee. Hello, my baby. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, don't scratch. Red ka na. Very good mo, baby. Wow, galing.
4,100. Congratulations
Yes, thank
Picture
you.
na lang. There you go.
Ay, may ganun po. Sige po.
Happy Annie.
Guys, nanalo kami ng
It's a good
yeah. Kung magkano yung grocery, shinaping namin, yun din yung napanalunan namin. So, ang bill namin is 4,082. Renound off, naging 4,100. Round off, ay round up. Naging 4,100. Yeah, 4,100 yung aming ano.
Because it's the 65th
Yung gift card.
gift pass.
Gift pass. Gift check. Gift search.
Yeah, you can use to do shop.
Yan.
Because it's 65th anniversary of us.
Anniversary ng SM, kaya sinwertihan, nanalo. Lucky si baby.
Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Dahil swerte daw tayo today, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Ngayon lang ako magtataya sa loto. Asan? Oh. Lotto card. Yan. 6 numbers daw. Ano, paano?
6 number.
6 numbers sa...
Number.
Ano ABCD? Ay, may ganun? Ah, okay. Yun lang. Pag nanalo, 136 million. Ah. Ay, wala pa palang bayad. Ay. Okay na po yun. Ah, thank you. Yan, nakataya na kami sa loto.
Bye, Joy.
Swerte, baby! Bumili kami nito, guys. Cheese pesto pandesal. Ang sarap. Tapos ang lambot. Guys. 5 yan eh. Naubos na yung 3. Thank you, Tita Joy. Ayan. Gift ni Joy kay baby. Hooded towel and wash mitt. Tapos ito yung hooded towel. Kasi isa lang yung towel ni baby. Kaya magagamit niya to. Tapos ito yung next. Yung cup and mittens. Actually, pinatigil na ni Doc yung paggamit namin ng mittens nung 2nd or 3rd week pa lang yata ni baby. Kaso, nagsascratch kasi siya guys ng face. Lagi siyang may sugat. Kaya, bumili ng mittens. And, yan. Sabi ni Joy, ito na daw gift kay baby. So, ayan. Meron tayong mittens ulit. Tapos, mayroong cup. Ito, nagagamit naman yan lalo sa gabi. Ganyan, malamig sa aircon. So, yan. Thank you, tita. Thank you. Puro ka pasa.
Yeah. Pwede ka siya.
Ba't may scratch ka sa face? Ayan no? Makita yan ni Lola mo. Ha? Ba't mo ko tinatawanan lang? Good morning! Hi, mga baby! Good morning! Show them your smile, your morning smile. Good morning! I love you! Oh, Zeus! I love you! Ano chinichika mo? Lift up your toes and your legs. Lift up your toes and your legs. Hello. Ah. Hello. Achoo. Achoo. Hello. Okay. Anong gustong sabihin ng baby? Oh, sus. Gusto na magsalita ng baby? Ha? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, sus. Very good.